Hello mga ka-Starlight! Gusto mo ba maging singer? O maging dancer?
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice?
Maging host or reporter?
Magandang araw! Narito na ang ating News Update Kids Edition.
Ako ka naman. Maging artista?
Yung guys namin nagtatagda ng You are...
Cut!
Okay na po ba yung direct? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Kung interesado ka, punta ka sa Starlight Artist Academy. Under ito ng Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. Hindi ka lang dito tuturuan kumanta, sumayaw, at umakting. Mag-enjoy ka rin! Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Invest in your dreams and make your career fly.
Liwanag ng
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat mga ka-Starlight! We are Starlight! You are now watching to Starlight Artist Academy. Hello world! Hello Philippines! Hello mga ka-online viewers! It's me, Tala Shanika, ang babae walang pahinga pero sobrang ganda! Maitiwan sa inyong paningin, mga fans ko'y giliw na giliw. It's me, Tala Pearl! Payat man ako sa inyong paningin, pero mas maganda naman ako sa mama kong mahiyain. It's me, Tala Ray! Di man ako kontrabida, pero sa paningin ng iba, ako ang Vito. O diba, it's me, Tala Vida! Ako naman ang babaeng simple lang sa inyong paningin. Eliza ang name sa episode na ito'y ako'y magningning. It's me, Tala Eliza! Ako nga pala ang batang nagmula pa sa malayong lugar, nagmamaganda sa inyong harapan. Tala Shasi ang bibida naman. Hi everyone, it's me, Tala Shasi! Di man ako kasing ganda ng nanay nyo, di kasing ganda ng ate nyo, pero mas maganda naman ako, naman ako sa mami ko. It's me, Tala Ayesha! Ano? Bagong lahat? Kamusta naman kayo mga katala? Kasi ako, okay lang ako. Nagpa-practice din ako sa bahay ng script and then nakaka-enjoy ko din yung mga magulang ko at saka pamilya ko. How about you, Tala Shanika? Ako okay lang. Nagpa-practice ng pasarela para sa laban ko and nagpa-practice nung song ng aking kanalang. Buti nga na-achieve ko yung whistle eh. Tapos, naglalaro kami ng brother ko, ng family ko, nagtatawanan kami lagi, playing with my friends. Tapos, pag wala akong magawa, nagda-dancing lang ako. How about you, Tala Ayesha? Eto, okay lang. Nagbabanding with family. Kumakain sabay-sabay. At si Mami, pumuntang sa kanila. Sa Cebu ba yun? Oo, yun. Hindi ko na sila naabutan. Back to you, Tala Pearl.
Ako, okay lang. Nagbasa lang ako ng script. About you, Tala Rain.
Okay lang ako. Masaya ako dahil binilhan ako ni Mommy and Daddy ng roller skate. Nag-voice lesson din ako and nag-practice ng akin ka na lang. How about you, Tala Vida?
Thank you for Mommy for making me a good Tala. Nag-graduate ako. And I'm so happy and I'm excited to be grade 1.
Wow naman!
Let's go!
Sana
all!
Congratulations, Tala Vida! Cute-cute mo naman.
Cute mo sa baby.
Ako naman po is nagmuni-muni lang, nagbanding-banding lang sa pamilya ko, sa best friend ko. And pag walang magawa, nagsiselfon kay mama. And back to you, Shan. At dito na nga mga kasikat, last episode na natin ay may birthday celebration ngang naganap. At alam nyo ba, for today's episode ay may magse-celebrate na kanyang birthday. Kilala nyo ba kung sino? Sino? Cute siya at maganda tulad ko, Bibo. Tahimik at mabait. Kilala nyo ba kung sino? Sino? Eh di sino pa ba? Eh di si Tala Vida. Wow! Actually, sa susunod pa naman na mga araw yung birthday niya. Pero ngayon niya ito isi-celebrate. Bakit mo, Tala Pearl?
Kaya naman, batiin at awitan na natin ang happy birthday song si Tala Vida.
Handa na ba kayo, mga kasikat? Handa! Handa na! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy, happy birthday, Tala! So, bagong lahat, Tala Vida, kaugalian ng bawat Pilipino na kapag may cake and candle, dapat daw, bago mo i-blow yung candle, is need mo daw muna mag-wish. Make a wish, Tala Vida!
Kayo naman, Tala Vida, wish before you blow.
Nakapag-wish ka na ba? Handa ka na ba, Tala Vida?
Yes. Yes, Tala Eliza.
Wait, magbilang muna tayo mga katala. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, Tala Vida! Restoration! So mga katala, dahil birthday ng ating katala, may mga nakahanda na ba kayong wish para sa kanya? Mauna ka muna, Tala Eliza. Ano naman ang wish mo and birthday greetings mo sa kanya?
Thank you, Tala Rain. Happy birthday, Tala Vida. Happy birthday, Tala Vida. Sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo. And more blessings to come for you. Happy birthday, Vida. I love you.
Happy birthday, Talavida, and enjoy your day and be healthy and more birthday to come and more blessing to come. Happy birthday ulit, Talavida.
Happy birthday, Talavida. Wish you all the best and stay pretty. And yun, sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko. Happy birthday ulit, Talavida.
Wow.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Talavida. Happy birthday, Talavida. Sana lumaki ka pa rin, di ka magbago kasi wala lang. Ganun lang. And dahil birthday mo, Talavida, ano naman ang message mo sa mom and dad mo at sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa'yo? And masaya ka ba today?
Yes, Talay Ayesha. Thank you for mom for taking care of me, for being me a good Tala. And thank you to my dad to make me fun and with jokes. That always take care of me. Dada always had to do for me. So thank you. I love you.
Before we go, my greetings for her birthday is sana maging healthy siya palagi, be safe, and more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. And sana tumagal ka pa dito sa Tala and stay beautiful and cute. Back to you, Shashi. Kaya naman, mga kasikat, more pasabog, more kulitan sa aming pagbabalik!
Punong-puno pa rin ang kasiyahan kasama ang inyong paboritong mga katala. Back to you, Tala Shanika.
Pero bago ang lahat, mga kasikat, don't forget to share our live namin today. And huwag kalimutang gamitin ang hashtag Starlight Artist Academy.
Hashtag Tala.
Hashtag EuroTV Philippines.
Hashtag dito sa EuroTV sikat ka.
Also, don't forget to follow, like, and share our social media accounts for Facebook page EuroTV Philippines.
For YouTube channels EuroTV Philippines Entertainment, and please subscribe. And for TikTok account EuroTV Philippines. And of course, thank you to the owner and founder of EuroTV Philippines and Gawang Philippine Award, Sir Danny Mangahas.
To our Philippines Entertainment and President Direk Sam Martos, thank you for so much. To our technical head Direk Joshua Mangahas, thank you po.
At sa masipag natin production manager, Miss Ka, thank you so much po. And also to our media partner, Pinoy Extreme Channel, Signal 106 and Sky Cable 217. Thank you very much. And syempre, pasalamatan din natin yung ating mga cameraman na pogi, Sir Dave and Sir Matthew.
Thank you po!
Don't go away mga ka-Starlight.
We'll be right back!
Sabay-sabay para lang
Uy! Real talk lang. Scroll ka man o stuck sa traffic? Napapansin ka ba? O dinaanan lang? Pasay? Check. Parañaque? Check. Makati? Trending. Taguig? Lit. Skyway to Naiya? Non-stop views. Sang tingin lang? Boom! Ikaw na yon. Hindi ka lang brand. Ikaw ang main character. Libo-libong mata. Araw-araw lahat nakatingin sa'yo. No skip, no swipe, pure impact. Kung gusto mong mag-viral sa totoong buhay, huwag ka na magpahuli. Sa Modero, hindi lang billboard ang ibinibigay namin. Ginagawa naming iconic ang brand mo. Kung interesado ka, tawagan ang naka-flash na numero. Tatak Modero, alagang Modero.
Ayan na, para pag nauwa ka, galingan mo nga.
Kaliga, sell mo yung kakampi!
Oh, anong pang inaantay nyo?
Basta cellphone, cellphone!
Nagbabalik ang Tala! Hello mga sikat! Before we continue our live today, I would like to greet and shout out to my relatives in Mindanao, Pantaleon family, Hilardo family, Pilari family, Palomo family, family of Zamora, to my Tita Emma, Tito Jan, and my cousins sa New Zealand, Tita Shira sa Qatar, my teacher, classmates of Gentle Patters Academy, my friends and kapitbahay, my best friend, Queen Heart, especially to my mama and papa na hindi napapagod magtrabaho at si Lona na lagi akong kasama sa lahat ng event ko, to my little brother, King Heart and kay Lolo Ompong and Lolo Dex Jigs. Magpagaling ka po dyan. Ikaw naman, Tala Vida, may babatiin ka ba?
Shout out to Mommy Bell, shout out to Dada, shout out to my dad, shout out to Nate, shout out to Daddy AC, to Def, Mama Yo, Mama Tess, Mama Ivy, Nay, Daddy ko, Mami ko, Daddy Adon, Daddy Senti. To my former school, Edra Learning Center. I'm so grateful for your patience and dedication. Thank you for being my teachers. Teacher Edra, Teacher April, Teacher Aika, Teacher Mean, Teacher Tere, and Teacher Erica. Thank you also to Sir Danny, Mangahas, DJ Alvin, Miss Kat, and to all staff of Starlight Artist Academy. Tala, that's all. Thank you po. How about you, Tala Rain?
Thank you, Tala Vida. Hello and good morning to all viewers. And I would like to greet my nanay Lorna Rolly London, Toto JP, Tita Sugar, Tito Clark, Lola Linda, Lola Bill, Friends of London, my family, Tiana May Palomo, my Mayor Jenny Barsaga, Lola Lina Awen, Lolo Consel Rudy Lara, my Dada Defelo Campano, to all my classmates and teachers, to my best friend Adelaide, to my coach sa Voiceless, Tita Annabel and Tito Ariel. To my MPC family, especially Tita Daisy and Tita Bell,
To my family sa Iloilo, Ganyan family, Lenyon family, Acanto family, Lebrillo family, my co-training at ARJ Music, KDBM sa Region Chapter, sa mga viewers, hello po sa inyong lahat. Daddy. And sa daddy ko po na nasa work, Eliza, back to you.
Thank you, Tala Rain. I would like to shout out my family, friends, classmates, teachers, to my church, JL Pasundamo, my relatives, and to all cousin in Mindanao, and to all viewers out there. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Back to you, Tala Ayesha.
And I would like to shout out my family, friends, mama, papa, mommy, daddy, at sa kapatid ko pong si Alas. I love you to all viewers out there. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Back to you, Tala Pearl.
Binabati ko po pala ang aking family sa Bicol. Si Lola, mga tito ko, at si ate. Kumusta po kayo dyan? How about you, Shashi?
Ayan. Binabati ko po si nanay at kay Uncle Paul yung tit. At ate ko, si Ate Ashley, mga kamag-anak namin sa Borongan at Tacloban. Pinsan ko po si Kate at si Pudangdang or Sadie. At iba pa, si Tito Eman, Lola Susan Garcia sa Pampanga. Lola Cora at taga Bulacan, Balintong family. Happy 18th birthday pala kay Ate Ayesa Cruz Balintong. That's all. Thank you!
Wag na po kayo maglilipad, mga ka-Starlight. Babalik pa po ang
Stay tuned, mga ka-Starlight. Don't go away, mga kasikat.
We'll be right
back.
still watching Starlight Artists Academy Tala! And syempre mga katala, may ihahanda akong games para sa ating lahat. Are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Simple lang naman ang mga katala. Ang lalaruin, may mga numbers. Akong hawak dito. At ito ang mula number 1 hanggang number 12. Ang gagawin lang ng mga players is isa-scramble ng mga number na nakataob sa table at pagkatapos bubuksan nito ayon sa pagkasunod-sunod from 1 to 12. Hanapin ng players ang number 1 at kung ang number na nabuksan ay mali, muling itataob ng player ang card. At ang next player naman ang susunod na maghahanap hanggang sa ito ay mabuo. Mula number 1 hanggang number 12. Gets nyo na ba mga katala?
Yes,
Gets na gets! At ang players na mananalo ay magkakatanggap ng premyo. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's do it! Tala Eliza, ikaw muna.
Puso ko'y mapatiyan. Mahiwagan sa langit, kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na pagtingin. Mahiwagan sa langit, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napilitin? Salamin sa dingding nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin sa dingding pa rin pa sa piling. Salamin sa dingding nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, kailan niyo ba ako papansinin? Ayaw kong maniwala.
Thank you, Ray! Thank you, Ray! For that wonderful performance.
Thank you din sa inyong mga katala. At dahil wala na tayong oras mga ka-starlight, it's time to say goodbye na mga ka-online viewers. Thank you so much for viewing.
Tala Ayesha, may gusto ka bang batiin? Salamatan of your upcoming events to promote and your social media account to promote. Take it away! I would like to say thank you to my family for always supporting at me and also to the EuroTV Philippines Entertainment. Pinoy Extreme Channel, Sir Danny Mangas, the owner and founder of EuroTV Philippines and Gawad Filipino Award, and also Starlight Artist Academy, to Sir DJ for always there to guide me. Special thanks to all coaches, staff, and to Miss Kat, the Starlight Artist Production Manager, and also from my upcoming indie film Posun in Selected Cinema, Tumbang Presa, directed by Sir Mark Santos. Salamat po sa mga kasikat natin dyan at sa ating online viewers. Please add me on Facebook, Ayesha Kutamora. Back to you, Eliza.
Thank you so much, Ayesha. How about you, Talavida? Do you have somebody to thank?
Yes, thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Talavida. Special thanks to my sponsors, Nanay Lorna Rolly for my clothes and shoes, Teacher Mom, Eileen for my hair, and aking daddy na nasa work, sa aking ate Chara na kasama namin today, and of course, I would like to thank Sir Danilo Mangahas, the owner and founder of EuroTV Philippines Gawad Filipino Award, my talent manager, Sir DJ Alvin, Direct Sam, Sir Dave, Sir Joshua, Sir JM, Miss Kat, and to all the viewers, thank you po sa inyo sa patuloy na panonood at pag-support sa aming episode ng Tala dito sa Starlight Artist Academy, EuroTV Philippines, to our media partner, EuroTV Pinoy Extreme Channel, Signal 106 kay Cable 217. Abangan niyo po ako sa 18 years anniversary of ARJ Music Training Center concert on May 23, 2026, Summit Ridge Hotel, Tagaytay City. Please follow me on my social media accounts for my Facebook page, Princess Serge Palomo, and my IG, Princess Serge Learner Palomo, and for TikTok account, Rain. How about you, Tala Eliza? Thank you, Tala Rain. I would like to thank my family who always supports me, and I would like also to thank EuroTV Philippines Pinoy Action Channel, Sir Danny Mangahas, the owner and founder of Hero TV and Gawad Filipino Award. And also to Starlet Artists Academy and Sir DJ for guiding us. Special thanks to Coach, to Miss Kat, and for upcoming India films soon in Selected Cinema Tumbang Preso, directed by Mark Arvin and Mark Santos.
Thank you so much, everyone!